Hello and welcome to English Speaking Series. I'm Efi Dyah and I'll bring you some tips to make you sound more like a native. In this video, we'll learn about aspiration. Let's check it out. Aspiration is not found in our Indonesian language, but there are other languages that use aspiration besides English, like in German, Swedish, and Norwegian. For some of you might think that this might be a bit complicated, because we don't speak that way in Indonesian, but let's just give it a try, okay? You know what aspiration is? Aspiration means breathing. So to aspire means you breathe out when you say something. It's like there's a short puff of air when you pronounce. Like there is a sound after the consonant you say. In the International Phonetic Alphabet or IPA, you'll find it as a small letter H. In English aspiration, we only have three sounds. They are aspirated and k. When they occur immediately before a stressed vowel, those are the only sounds that are aspirated. So when you say these sounds, a puff of air should come out of your mouth. You can check if you're doing it right by putting your hand or a piece of paper like this. If you see the paper moves, you say it right then. Let me give you an example with this simple word, pill. Pill. Say it after me, pill. Good. Now let's try with different word. Cake. Cake. Repeat after me, cake. Yay, nice. Okay, now let's try with t, which is a bit different here. T sound is not dental. It means do not touch the tip of your tongue to your upper dental. Your tongue tip not touching the upper teeth. Say time. Time. Repeat after me, time. Great! And now, I want to try to find some volunteers to say my words using aspirations. Okay, let's go.
Potato. Potato. Teacher. Teacher. Quick. Quick.
Potato, teacher, quick. Guys, it's really important to pay attention to aspiration if you just want to sound more like a native speaker. Remember, try to practice with these tips regularly so it's going to be flowing so easily for you when you turn on your English aspirations, okay? That's all for today. See you guys in our next videos and thank you all for watching. Bye now.